All right, here we're gonna do the filling. For every 2 blocks of cream cheese, I'm gonna do 6, I fried some bacon crispy. I'm gonna throw 6 of these in and a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic. And the trick to this is I do this up way before I have to actually stuff the peppers or the mushrooms or the dill pickle boats. I'm gonna make all these out of this same exact recipe. I got a whole bunch of more of this to blend up later. I'm just showing you how to do a smaller batch here. A quick hack for storing anything like this. I use Ziploc bags, turn them inside out, and then use those to gather everything up. Oh, now I made a mess on this hand, of course. If you're concentrating, it works great. All right, here we are. I had a bunch of leftover of the cream cheese stuffing. I'll start the video with how I made it. I had 3 blocks worth, so each of these are gonna get a different block's worth for the grilled cheese today. The ones I'm gonna start with, I'll drop this in. It's the cream cheese stuffing, just leftover, warmed up. Then I'm going to put, I know this is a cup size thing, but I'm gonna put a 1/2 cup's worth, roundabouts. Start with that. I'll adjust the comment, always follow the instructions in the comments. A heavy tablespoon's worth of pickle juice. Let's see if we can make some magic happen. It's thinner than I want. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 sticks worth in there. That works. All right, as always, mayonnaise for the garlic, or for the grilled cheeses. All right, grills up on a good medium-high heat. These 2 are going to get just the regular stuffing, same stuffing I used in the jalapeno peppers. These 2 are going to get the dill. A little thin. I think it'll work. It might run out when it's done. We'll just have to see. I'm gonna do these open face so it don't run out. See, changing on the fly. Instead of making a sandwich, just squeeze it out. We'll do open faced. All right, here we go. Half the cream cheese, these open-faced grilled cheeses have the dill, half don't. Let's see how it turned out. It's really good. I don't know if you can see the bottom there, the crust. That way as you bite, it won't all squeeze out. I just pulled these off. They're all hot. I would actually let these cool down quite a bit. Rest your grilled cheeses on some kind of open-faced grate so it doesn't, that'll keep it crunchy. That'll keep the moisture from recondensating and making your grilled cheese crunch or soggy. And so yeah, I would serve these either cold or cool. Let that cream cheese firm back up just a little bit, but they're right on point. These would be great little snacks to put out. If you want to take the dill pickle cream cheese to a next level when you serve, I didn't have any, I just went and looked. Put some slices of, get some dill pickle slices, chop them up a little bit so they're more bite-sized, and relish the top, make them look real cute. You can take dill weed and put over the top. It'd be perfect.